All right, everybody, this is Cookie, 7 weeks old, 280 grams. This is Cupid's sister. Cookie is the biggest girl. Her other sister is 270, but Cookie is the biggest one. Come here, Cookie. Don't go out to bed here. We'll put you by the chin pals. There's Mrs. Cookie. Cookie, come here, honey. Cookie is a big, chunky girl. Where'd you go? Hold on, I gotta grab Cookie. She disappeared. Cookie. 7 weeks and I'm a chunky girl. Come here, no Cookie. You can't go back there. Cookie. Are you the best girl? Are you the chunkiest girl? The Cookie loves to eat. Oh, where did Cookie go? Hold on, here's Cookie.